What's the meaning of Chamberlain's men? Chamberlain's men. Chamberlain's men.
Chamberlain's men. Chamberlain's men. Chamberlain's Men was a playing company in London during the Renaissance era that was formed in 1594. The company was named after its patron, Lord Chamberlain, who served as the chief patron of theatrical performances in England. It consisted of several notable actors, including Richard Burbage and William Shakespeare. They performed a number of Shakespeare's plays, including Hamlet, Macbeth, and King Lear. The company became very successful and popular among audiences, and played an instrumental role in shaping the development of English theatre during this time.